Oh my god. So, the moment of truth.
What color did you get?
So I've got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let it go, let it go. Turn away, slam the door.
I don't care. I'm going to say I like selling joint.
But seriously, Daddy, thank you for the fun.
Hopefully I get a little something tonight.
Uy! Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy hump day everyone. Today is Wednesday and it's currently 2 o'clock ng hapon guys. Let us confirm, hindi pa pala siya nag 2 o'clock. 1:49 ng hapon, ayan. And si mami nyo ay nandito ngayon sa sasakyan kasi it is the most awaited day of my life, char. Hindi guys, kasi nga 'di ba I mentioned to you before na bibili ako ng phone and I kept on dragging on and I think it's been 2 weeks na yata na always ako nasasabi na bibili ako ng phone. But ngayon lang nagka-time si mami nyo guys kasi nag-leave ako today. So wala akong work kasi earlier pumunta ako ng ospital. Meron kasi akong midwife appointment for our pregnancy guys. Kaya yun, hindi ako nagtrabaho today. So, by saying that, aalis tayo ngayon. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon sa sasakyan. So, we are going to Chadstone Shopping Center para bumili ng ating bagong phone. Yay! And ako lang mag-isa guys kasi si Daddy Mike ay nag-work sa office today and ang ating baby girl ay childcare kasi Wednesday. So, yun. Ako lang mag-isa. Wala akong masisharean ng aking excitement kaya magba-vlog tayo para mamaya ma-share ko sa inyo yung excitement ko, yung happiness ko. Mag-unbox tayo ng bagong phone natin, guys. Kaya, without further ado, let's go drive now, guys. Hi, guys! Ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng shopping center sa Chadstone, guys. And, I'm just walking towards the Apple shop. And I'm hoping na walang masyadong tao, guys. Kasi, every time na pumupunta ako dito, sobrang haba talaga ng ng queue. Oh, it looks like ayan guys, oh. So Apple store is there. Tapos yung linya ng oh my god. Ito na nga yung sinasabi ko, guys. Kahit weekdays, oh. Tingnan nyo yung linya. Ang daming taong naghihintay. Lord. Oh, wow. Pwede naman kasi nasa mga reseller na lang ako bibili, guys. Sa baba, meron sila. The same pricing lang naman. But, you know what? Alam nyo naman, parang gusto mo yung feeling na galing Apple talaga yung bibilhin mo na iPhone. Kaya, I don't know if I should stay in the queue. Tapos, sobrang dami pa talaga, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Sobrang daming tao. Ayan. So, if I go to JB Hi-Fi or the same lang naman. Pasensyahan nyo, guys, oh. Ang laki ng pimples natin sa mukha. So, ayan, guys. Kailangan ko daw gumawa ng appointment. So, binook nila ako for 3 o'clock. Meron pa tayong half an hour, guys, para maglibot-libot muna. So, later, pag 3 o'clock na, punta lang tayo doon, straight sa front door nila, tapos they will let us in. So, now, maybe maghahanap muna ako ng guys. Ay, andyan pala yung hinahanap ko, guys. Chat time is life. It's my favorite. Minday, my sister's favorite to, guys. Palaway-laway. Okay, let's go down. Ang ganda dito sa Chadstone Shopping Center, guys. Kasi sobrang laki eh. Marami kang mapagpipilian. Pag may, pag may pera tayo. Pag wala, wala rin. Ayan, gusto ko rin pumunta ng Victoria's Secret mamaya. But let's go get drink first.
So yeah, essentially that will be, yeah, cool. So essentially that would cover you for 2 accidental damages per year over a 2-year period. And then essentially if you broke the front of the device.
Hi guys! Good evening! So, evening na kasi it's 7 o'clock at night. Kanina pa ako nakauwi guys after sa shopping center. Pinick up ko si Baby Paris. Tapos, umuwi kami dito kanina pa. Pero, hinintay ko si Daddy Mike guys bago natin i-unbox ang ating phone. What's inside the box?
Is it working?
Let's say hi first oh.
Hi.
Hi guys!
Say hi.
Bye.
Whose birthday is it tomorrow?
Me.
And
Yeah!
who are you?
Scott.
Sky, how old are you tomorrow, Sky?
No.
How old are you tomorrow?
Turn 3.
Turn 3. Yay!
Not 4. That's 3 now.
No, you're 3 tomorrow. So yun guys, birthday ni Paris bukas, but si Mami yung my gift.
Inside the box.
What's inside the box, Paris?
Empty.
So guys, hindi ko talaga siya in-unbox hanggang nandito ang whole family. Kasi, alam nyo na, char lang. Sobrang char talaga guys, no? Hindi, I wanted to, again, share my happiness and excitement guys to the fam. Kaya hinintay ko talaga na ngayon natin i-open. Hinintay namin si Daddy Mike na maka-uwi from the office.
This is my cake.
So, this is it.
My
Ayan.
cake.
What is it?
It's what's happening.
Yeah,
What's
open it.
inside? What's inside?
And it's my cake.
Ayan. First time ko kasi na bumili from Apple Store, guys. Normally, yung mga phone ko, mga previous phones ko, I bought it outright. Yun bang... Yes, anak?
Look at the cake.
Is that a cake?
Yes,
Yun bang yung mga may-ari na, guys, pero it's still new. Pero cheaper kasi, kaya dun ko binibili. But this time, gusto kong magka-experience din, guys. Ayan. So, we'll do the unboxing na. Without further ado, without further tala-tala.
Just open it.
Just open it, Mama. Too much talking. Too much talking, Mama. Oh my God. So, the moment of truth.
It's not.
Ne, 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 ne.
What color did you get?
So, I've got the iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold color. Ayan.
It's not my cake.
And it is in 256 gigabyte guys. Kasi alam nyo naman na we are vlogging. So nag-i-edit ako sa phone ko. So I needed a big memory sa aking phone. And here it
What cake did
is.
you like?
Oh, I love.
So here's the
I
phone.
love that.
Oh,
What
diba?
cake do you want?
Gold na gold.
Bottle.
Huh?
Bottle one.
Yan. So let's take this off.
Nice cake tomorrow.
Nagpo-focus pa siya guys.
Bottle.
You want Paw Patrol cake?
Yeah.
Ayan, ayan, ayan.
Let's see if we can get you one.
Hindi pa pala ako bumili ng ano guys, hindi ako bumili ng screen protector tsaka case kasi I bought it online pero hindi pa siya dumating.
Find out.
Have a look at Mommy's new phone.
Tingnan nyo guys, oh!
Can I open it?
Wow! You wanna hold that eh?
Yeah, look.
Wow! Ito yung laman ng box niya.
It's working, guys.
So,
24 carat.
ano lang guys, yung cord ng charger niya, ayan. Tapos, anong meron pa dito? Oh, yung pin lang. So this is what I find stupid guys, no? With Apple.
It's not working?
It's
So,
working.
walang free na yung saksakan nito, yung socket ba?
Mommy, give it to me.
Yung plug na ipansak sa kuan.
Give it to me, please. I show like this.
Okay, sure, Daddy. You have to purchase it separately,
What's
guys.
that?
How stupid is
It's
that?
from the shop.
You need that from the shop.
Sobrang ano na talaga ng Apple, guys. Kailangan talaga, you have to buy everything from them.
What?
There's nothing like, you know, the
Charger?
plug, yeah. The charger. Doesn't come with it. You have to purchase it separately. What are
Sit
they?
down.
Yeah, I know. It's so
Why did you
stupid.
get it from someone else?
Yeah. Anyways, that's it. And that is got the charger. Anyways, guys, we will share. But this is the fun. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Daddy. Ayan.
Big dollars, daddy.
Big dollars, Daddy. Yeah. So, ito pala, guys. Share lang, guys, ha. Yung presyo dito sa Australia nito. Kasi this is iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold. 256GB. It's 2,019 Australian dollars. Ayan.
Thanks, daddy.
Thanks, Daddy. I love you guys. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit gusto natin ng black or gold or silver. Kasi bibili din naman ng case. Mga kabiran din yan. Hindi makikita. I think like it's just the thought na gold yung kulay. It's nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
What? Watch the mommy's phone. Hang on, give me a second. So this is my old phone, guys. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the iPhone 8 Plus. Ayan. So sobrang layo ng kanilang screen. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang laki ng screen. I think this is 5" something. This is 7". Okay, sobrang laki ng diferensya. And again, this is the first time na gagamit ako ng phone, guys, without the home button. Kasi itong 8 Plus ko, guys, merong home button ganyan. So, wala nang fingerprint na lock. Mamaya ko na to siya easy set up, guys, kasi sa gabi pag matutulog na, kasi kailangan i-transfer yung mga data from this phone to this one para maging ano na to, bago na to. So anyways, ito mapupunta na to siya sa kapatid ko. Ayan. So tingnan mo namin, guys, ang magiging cellphone mo. Ayan. Ito, guys, sobrang bago pa talaga. Wala din akong problema dito. Sa phone na to. This one is also gold, pero yung ano, rose gold. Tingnan nyo, oh. Sa likuran. Ayan. Sobrang maingat kasi ako pagdating sa phone, guys. So, hindi talaga siya na, ano, ang tawag ito, hindi ko siya nadadrop. If ever man, hindi talaga yung sobrang, ano, ang tawag ito, taas yung pagkahulog. Mga dust lang yan, guys. Oh. But, see, there's no scratches, no cracks. Ayan, so this one, I believe, made in glass, I think. Pero ito siya, parang steel yata tong, iPhone 12. Parang iPad na siya, guys. Kalaki. Babaguhan ako nito. I-turn on nga natin. Be first. Tereng. Ayan. Kasi yung kay Daddy Mike, what phone have you got, Daddy?
Broken.
A broken phone. Show me. iPhone 10, I think. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Kitang-kita nyo talaga yung kung ano yung may-ari, no? O lalaki or babae. Halata ba siya, guys? Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Oh. Grabe na yung cracks talaga, guys. Ayan. I'm surprised na nag-work pa siya, ha? Kasi sa dami na ng cracks niya, yung screen niya. Ayan. Oh. Pero nag-work pa rin siya. There you go. Ba, yan ang ating phone. Ang ating bagong phone.
Mom, is it my new phone? Is it the new phone?
Come here. Come here.
Works, Mom.
It's working. It's working. Can you please sing the Let It Go now?
Lego. Lego. And no more. Lego.
Better naman. So I can hear you properly.
Lego. Lego. Here back in the way.
Let it go, let it go. Turn away, slam the door.
I don't care. I'm born today. I like going joint.
The cold never bothered me anyway.
I did that.
How do you want to build a snowman?
You want to be the snowman? I know, Mom.
Yeah, Elsa? Elsa,
Elsa.
do you want to build a snowman?
I don't like going to hole until you on the door. Imovie. I
We used to be best buddies, but now we're not.
now.
Why do you wanna build a snowman?
Why do I go home?
Guys, this is what we're gonna have tonight. So, binili namin to the other day for Paris kasi may star ba? Ayan. So, baka maano siya, maingganyo siyang kumain. And then, we will have some party pies.
Give me some.
Daddy, come here before you go. Bagong tahal pa lang ating daddy, guys. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang hair. So, let him know in the comment section below. Come on. What you think about his hair. See, I like his hair now. I think like the cut is really good. Yeah. Tinatanong niya ako kanina, guys, if they can see you. He was asking me before if he's sexy. What do you think?
Sexy.
Uy. But seriously, Daddy, thank you for the fun.
Hopefully I get a little something tonight.
Uy! Alam nyo kasi, guys, yung ano, di ba last time yung video natin na bibili sana ako ng phone. Dapat sana ilalagay ko sa contract yung phone para hindi masyadong mabigatan. Kasi nga, di ba, if you're going to think, parang isahan na gastos na 2,000 Australian dollars. Kaya, sabi ko na, ano na lang, sa contract na lang. Kasi, since may SIM card, yung credit ko naman sa phone ko is naka-contract, kukuha na lang din ako ng phone on contract for 24 months. But that one, guys, I think, with phone credit and the phone, 130 yata, guys. Yung isang buwan for 24 months. And then, yun na ngayon nangyari. So, last time nung pumunta kami doon, hindi kami nakadala kasi kailangan, may license pakita sa kanila. Hindi naman dinala ni Daddy Mike yung kanyang, lisensya, yung kanyang wallet. So, wala kami nakikita. But then, we realized, kasi sabi ni Daddy Mike, guys, di ba na-mention din namin sa inyo na gusto namin bumili ng bahay this year. And, obviously, we are going to, parang mag-apply ng loan, yung mortgage para sa bahay. Tapos, sabi ni Daddy Mike, if maraming nakaano sa pangalan namin daw, na, merong, contract sa phone, tapos, mga ganun-ganun, sabi ni Daddy Mike, parang hindi daw maganda tingnan. So, kaya yun, Daddy Mike decided na, naman kami, may savings naman kami, guys. So, di ba, pag sumusweldo kami, naglalagay kami sa savings namin. So, namin yun, parang joint bank account ba namin yun. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, since meron naman tayong pera doon, yun na lang daw yung gagamitin kesa ilagay daw sa contract. Kaya yun yung naging, guys, pumunta ako kanina para
Actually, it's funny you said that because, I got my first credit score update. I got my first credit score update in 3 months because the Equifax one only updates every 3 months.
Yeah.
And it went up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it went up 60 points. So that means, wow, it doesn't mean anything. It was already good, but the thing is, if you had to put that application in, it went up and then it would have just went straight back down. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, I got it too because I'm putting like a 3% interest on your payback when you pay it back. 3%.
3% po. Sabi niya, guys, pag maglalagay daw ako ng yung savings namin nga every month, sabi niya na mag-add daw ako ng 3%.
3% per month.
Para ma-cover daw yung
3% on the balance per month.
Okay, Daddy. Yeah, 3%. 3%, okay. But yeah, it's good. It's good. I'm happy with my phone. I'm gonna play with it later on. Or see, play around with the phone. Oh God, no.
She's gotta watch easy movie videos.
Yeah, no. This one is Easy Meal.
No, no.
Number 1 fan, guys. Like, seriously, lahat ng kanta ni Easy Meal, narinig na niya. He watched it on YouTube all over and over and over again. Like, seriously, sometimes, like, I'm just, you know, can you just stop it? It's like, he watched all the reactions, guys. Alam niyo yung may mga nagre-react na mga videos ni Easy Meal? Yun, pero pabalik-balik yung sounds, the same yung music. Iba-iba reaction.
It's because we're...
You should do a reaction video, Bob.
It's because we're...
Bobby,
both...
you should do a reaction video on our channel.
It's because we both are born on the 27th of July, and we both rep the 22200
What the
Olongapo City.
Did you live in Olongapo?
Yes.
Parehas pala daw sila ng birthday, guys. Kaya yun, July 27.
And I speak
Speak what?
Ilocano.
Alright, say it.
Patito piti.
Tayong lahat ay
No, that's
Filipino.
Tagalog. You don't speak the Ilocano part. How do you sing that
Bob, I
part?
don't freaking understand
It
that.
sounds like the Maoris.
Hi guys, it's now 10 o'clock ng gabi, kaya madilim na kasi we turned off the light na. Ayan, ang ating baby girl ay nandyan pa pala. Naglalaro. But we're going to bed soon. I mean, like, we're in bed already, but we're gonna sleep soon. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo quickly yung napamili ko sa shop before pala, guys. So, nung pumunta ako, binili ko yung phone. Pumunta rin ako ng Calvin Klein. Ayan. So, yung binili pala ni mami nyo. Kasi hindi ko pa rin napakita ka dahil magpapakita ko sa kanya. So, bumili ako ng 2 pairs of bra. Ayan. Usapang babae ere, ha? Usapang babae. Kasi nga, 'di ba, kapag nabuntis ka, parang lumalaki yung ano mo, yung breast mo. Kaya yung mga ano ko ngayon, yung mga breast ko ngayon, is very uncomfortable na kasi maliit. Kaya yun, bumili ako ng 2. Since yung Calvin Klein naman ay sale sila. If you're going to purchase 2, then you'll get 40% off. So, ayan. So, ito yung binili ko, guys. Cute lang siya, guys. It's very comfortable too. Okay. Ito yung pinili ko, yung medyo may ano sa likuran. Ayan. Yung medyo thick yung dito para support ba. This is beige and this is purple. So, magkaiba sila, guys. Different styles. But, ayan. So, yan lang yun, guys. Ang aking nabili. And now, we're going to end the vlog kasi si Daddy Mike ay ayan, guys. So, tulog na. Yeah. I just want to say thank you for watching today's video and sana na-enjoy nyo, guys. I am super happy with my new phone, although hindi ko pa na-transfer yung data, guys. Like, hindi ko pa nga na, ang tawag dito, tinurn on ko siya kanina. Pero hindi ko pa nagawa yung yung mga pag-transfer ng data. Wala naman kasing rush, guys, kasi nandito pa naman tong phone na to, so I can do it whenever. And before we end the vlog, we will do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Rosalia Liena, Jane Franco, Judith Albasin, Aroma T, Ethel Kilat, Emmy Garcia, Carmen Marcelo, Jay Cruz, Mami Rose Sabalye, Lolita Rivera, Davao Vibes DL, Kalimag Feli, Olivia Belza Morales, Sally Bareja, Fe Guarnes, Lisan Bansil, Hannah Sarumines, Jocelyn Pason, Viuli S, Cynthia De La Cruz, Calvin Borenaga, Aiza Rica Diaz Midiona, Christine Namayan, Belindy Jesus, Sabrina Limin Park, Chinita Bisaya, Joanne Oano, Sally Saminiano, Ruby De La Rosa, and JC Rain Garcia. That's about it for today's video, guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye.
Uy. Paris, don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Okay. Goodbye.
bye guys.